this is something I've been teaching, and I think it's good to speak on it now. Uh, When you invest in real estate, you can't have the mindset that you're going to get that money back quickly.
Correct.
Okay, it's a long-term thing. Okay, so my mindset is if I'm going to invest $50,000 or $25,000, that money's gone. Like it's gone. Like I'm not getting that back anytime soon. And so I see people, they put it out and then they want it back so fast that they don't let it blossom and grow. And so what I do is I'll invest and then I'll build up being an agent or doing something else to generate another 25. Put it out again. And I constantly do that. But once that money's gone, it's gone.
Right.
And then in my mind I'm like, "Oh yeah, I'm going to get that back one day." But that's my mindset because I got to go generate the next chunk to do it.
Yeah, well,
So
that's
I
how it should be.
Right,
It
so I
really
see a
should.
lot of investors do it the opposite. They put the 25 out, they want it back. They put
Yep.
it and they never cycle themselves up to grow another batch of that
Right.
25 or 50 and to keep doing it. And so their portfolio never grows and blossoms.